Brother, this is Stud Index Team. Wait, shit. He's back. Yeah, babarilin ko yan. At si Papa sa head. Ikaw nga nagsabi yun. Oh, last time nga eh, yun eh. Explode! Explode! Let's go, bro!
Maligo ka na sa gabi na.
No.
Uwi na kami, maya maya.
I-dinner namin. And oh, my goodness, it's so big. This is why I took my foot too much. Oh, brother disappeared. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so that goodness. Did I kill him? Hello? Bikod dummy?
Kuya, ano pa kayo kuya? Ha? Sige pa kayo nito na. Ha? Bago kami mo eh. Ha? Ginita ko si Kanto.
Sira ang kukanin dito.
Did not. I just killed everything. Wait. Spawn a lot of Domino! No rubber. My blood mode. That's right. Brother! Stop spawning yourselves! Get this guy. Watch me. Oh, no. in one way. I do not know what to do. I don't know what to do. At least, I cannot do anything. But real quick. Yeah, I need to remove all of them. How? Huh? Wait now. Oh my goodness. Okay, extreme time. Good thing no one noticed. Turn that around. Bruh. See my aura. There's no awakening, so you can get this by opening catalog. Wait. Oh wait, I can just and I just put another one. Go back in there! Oh! Okay. Wait, let me bring everyone. Wait now. God mode. Wait, everything. I just killed it out. See my. Ay, yo! Stop. I thought. What? That counted. Am I Omni-Man? Wait lang real quick. Spawn this bad guy. Oh my god, mood. Bye. See you later in heaven. Yay. That's all. Bye bye.